Got my turtle tank all cleaned out. It's looking really nice. Got my 2 turtles and the 1 goldfish. This one right here is Jimmy. He's a Mississippi map. And this one is Pancake. He's a soft shell turtle. And he looks like a pancake. So I think you guys can put that together. This goldfish I got like over 2 years ago because I bought a pack of 15 small feeder goldfish. And they ate them all except for this one. He slowly kept growing. He was only like an inch long when I got him. And he just kept avoiding the turtles somehow, and he just grew up big enough to where they couldn't eat him. So now he's just always chilling and they don't bother him. So yeah, I don't show the turtles too much in the videos, but just let you guys know that they're doing all right. I've had these guys for a long time, by the way, too. I was looking at some old Instagram posts from 2012. So I've had these for over 6 years, and I think I've had this soft shell for over like close to 8 years now, honestly, because I got this Mississippi map turtle back when he was the size of a quarter. So he's grown quite a bit, and then the soft shell turtle was also much smaller back when I got him. But yeah, just an update on my turtles if any of you guys wanted to know how they're doing.
What's going on, guys? Right now I'm in the MR2. I'm on my way to Hayden's shop to pick up the manifold for Jeremy's car. He just messaged me today, said it was ready to go, so we're gonna go pick up that real quick. And it is currently St. Patrick's Day, and I'm wearing my only green shirt that I have, which is my Hux Racing shirt. So yeah, we'll see where today goes.
Oh shit, what's up?
What's going on?
Hey Lucy.
Canadian barbecue.
She remembers me now.
Surprised when she freaks out. The FedEx guy brings treats for her. Huh. Got that manifold all finished up.
Got it all done?
Yep.
Hell yeah.
I think it came out pretty good.
Which one is it? We got 2 of them.
It's the one, I mean, you can have either or, but it's the one on the right.
This one right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, they both look identical. It's not gonna matter.
Yeah.
Dang, that came out nice. It's all ready to go. Everything's all the flanges decked and sanded.
Yep. I mean, the only thing is we could probably like wipe it down with acetone, but I imagine you're gonna get it dirty.
Yeah, I don't think that's necessary. It looks good like that, honestly.
Yeah, just wipe it down once you install it.
Did you just wire brush these?
Yeah, it's just the wire wheel. That's not the polish. Like these are the polished ones.
Oh yeah, because I don't even go through the hassle of doing that, you know?
No?
Yeah, like when we did my hatch manifold,
They just turn a little gold.
I just welded it together how they sent them.
Yeah, the white with
They just have that like really raw finish.
No, the ones you get, the ones you get come like this though. They come already wire wheeled.
Do they? Yeah, they're like a light wire
like
wheel.
that.
Yeah, they're like that. I just leave them just like that.
Yeah, so they're already wire wheeled. They don't come like that with all the white in them.
This just looks like it has like a little bit more of a shine.
Yeah, just use a wire wheel, man. But real simple.
Well, hell yeah. I'm sure Jeremy's gonna love that.
Yeah, I know. It's funny. When he commented on my Instagram post, I didn't even.
Well,
at first, I couldn't even tell that it was him. I was like, wait, who's this again? He was like, how can we get one of these? And
yeah,
then
Jeremy?
it was Jeremy, yeah. I was like, because, well, it had been a while since he commented, and I was looking back through my comments, and I was like, oh shit. I was like, that's who that is.
Hell yeah, you gotta get that RX-7 going so we can run them.
Yeah, I gotta gap all your cars.
I know that MR2's not ready for it yet.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I feel like
I'll have the hatch ready at least.
Be ready. I mean, the hatch would be a good. It'll be a good race because you're gonna make a shit ton more power than I am. But it's just the front half of the track. Like,
well, yeah, I'm just gonna try. Yeah, I just have to back half like crazy.
Yeah, but the thing though is like to make up for the front half and the back half. That's a crazy difference, you know.
Yeah.
Like, because if you run like a high 7, like if you run like a 6.9 8th and I run like a low 6 8th, that's hard to catch back up on the back half. But I
guess we'll see.
Yeah, you'll have a lot more power than me though. I'm only thinking I'll make like 500-ish. So.
Yeah, hopefully the hatch.
Either way,
makes some stink.
It'll be a fun race. If not, I can always YOLO it and turn it up, see what the converter will take.
Yeah, it'll be good either way. But yeah, thanks for the manifold, man.
Yes, sir.
It's gonna be sweet. So I just got back from Hayden's. I'm over at PFI right now, and Angel Supra is over here, so I parked right next to it. Got the MR2's younger brother. I really love this car so much. But yeah, they're just tuning in this EK right now. Probably just gonna hang out for a little bit, and then we'll head back, and if Jeremy's back, we'll probably start mocking up that new manifold.
back here, dog.
Damn, dog. That's Hayden right there?
That's Hayden.
Damn. This is nice.
Oh yeah, Jeremy's gonna love that.
Bro, that thing is beautiful.
Fuck yeah.
I need one now.
Yeah. Go hit up Hayden.
I don't know. I'm about to.
What, for the EG? For the secret project?
For one of the projects.
For one of them? Yeah, it looks good though.
Hell yeah, it does. You gotta put a stamp on it.
Yep.
What is the name on it?
It stands for meticulous.
Meticulous.
MTIG.
MT. Hell yeah. So what else you need? You already got most of the shit for it, huh?
For Jeremy's?
Yeah.
Yeah, we just have to throw that on there, get the turbo on, see where the intercooler piping needs to go. Then we have to make the end tanks for his intercooler because it's just a core. And get that all figured out, and then probably still need to order oil lines for Jeremy's too. I think that's like the one thing we don't have right now. But,
So
but like the big stuff we have, yeah.
Start putting it together, huh?
Yep.
Hell yeah.
Yep, so hopefully he's not busy with whatever he's doing so he can start mocking that up.
Oh, he's gonna be excited once he sees that.
Oh yeah, he's gonna come right back when he knows that's done.
So, did you have to do anything on? Because obviously everything's backwards right now.
Yeah,
Did you have to-
so I just had to make a bracket
On
right
this side,
here.
gotcha.
Yeah, that's just a homemade bracket. I did that when
That's
the
what I
tranny was
figured.
out of the car.
I got you.
I just set the shifter right to neutral,
Neutral,
and then
okay.
made the tranny set to neutral, and then I just built the bracket to where the shift cables wanted to be.
I got you.
So yeah, it wasn't too hard.
She is burning the fuck out though.
I mean,
She's sending
it.
Got the
Like,
wheel
wait till it builds moves.
Keep the wheelwoods in the front, dude.
He's out.
All right, so we just got Jeremy's car pulled in. We pulled the S14 out, and it is gonna stay outside most likely this whole time until his car is done and boosted. So we still don't have the pistons for the S14 yet. Not a really big priority to finish that car, but we do have most of the parts to finish Jeremy's, so we're gonna start on it. And I don't know how far we'll get today. We'll probably just get the exhaust manifold off and get that new manifold on there, just get the turbo mocked up, and then we're gonna have to start mocking up all of the intercooler piping, start getting the oil lines ran, stuff like that. But yeah, we can put on what we have so far. The manifold's inside. I'll go grab it real quick. Now your car looks like it was on Daytona.
Oh, it's all silent.
Ugly stock manifold.
Try to get it covered. I don't even think it's gonna fit.
It'll fit.
Oh, would you look at that? That's sick.
I like that manifold.
Dude, the thing's sick. I'm stoked.
It looks good.
Oh yeah. It's gonna look better with the turbo on it.
Yeah, throw a couple more bolts in it, and then we can hang the turbo on there just to see where it's gonna be.
Yeah, we still gotta clock it.
We need to pull the front bumper off too.
Yeah, might as well.
Let's do that real quick.
I think it is spot.
No, it's not welded. Just keep wiggling till it comes off. I'm pretty sure it's
spot.
not welded, dude. like these little hooks, I swear.
There is another bolt. It says literally there's a...
Oh yeah, there's some inside.
How the hell are you gonna see that? Well,
Oh, I guess that's one way to get it off. Yeah, but see, this is what I was talking about. There's little hooks right here that it just rests on. And I was like, it shouldn't be that hard to get off. We shouldn't have had to take the headlights out.
what does it matter? It's not gonna go back on anyways. It's whatever.
Yep, so just
Saving weight.
pull those bolts off right there. That weight reduction.
Turbo on now?
Yeah, drop her on. I don't think we have any bolts though. Did you find a couple bolts that like kind of work?
Yeah, they'll hold it in place, but I don't know if it goes all the way through.
Here, just line them up, line up the bolt holes, and then just vice grip it. I'll hold it just for now. And then we can run and get some bolts tomorrow. Tell me when they're lined up. Oh, this needs to be tight. Tighter. Right there?
Yep, go for it.
Well, she has a turbo now.
Bro. That's sick.
And let's see. Oh, yeah, we need to take this guy off real quick.
Yeah.
And just I just welded this shut on mine. I took out that plug and welded that hole shut.
We could put a tap or whatever. It doesn't matter.
I think I have a plug somewhere too, that same size.
Bro, that's...
But hold on. Here, hold the turbo again actually. I need to move the vice grip somewhere else so I can get them not sticking out the front for the intercooler. Like that.
Okay.
Out of the way.
I feel like it's gonna hit on the end.
No, it won't. Well, we need to take this little nipple off
Yeah.
so we can move it forward. I guess we can do more of that tomorrow and actually start getting into it. But let's get the core.
Yeah, like right
It's gonna be like right there, and then literally we can make this end tank because we're gonna make it ourselves. We can have this literally just butt up right there and just have a boot over that.
One boot.
Yeah, like I'll just put it up here, just a
Yeah.
2.5 inch. And then on this side, we'll just put it right there. And then we can just go out and around since you don't have enough room to go straight back right here.
Yeah.
Without cutting out a lot of stuff and then moving the radiator or having to get a smaller radiator.
Yeah, I mean, I don't really like it, but that's what we're gonna have to do. Just come this way.
Yeah, I hate
probably,
it.
maybe go through this hole or in through here. It doesn't really matter.
I hate going out and around. I hate it so much. I don't know why.
Because it's a pain in the butt. But yeah, that looks sweet.
Yeah, it's gonna look good though.
It is.
Alright, so this is really all we can do for tonight. We're missing the bolts to hold the turbo to the manifold itself. We just have these vice grips holding it in place. We don't have any of the oil lines. The oil feed we can get made locally. That won't be an issue. But for the return, we do need to order the fitting that bolts up onto that goes to like the dash 10 AN fitting so we can get a line made. And we'll probably need to order the dash 10 fitting for this side and then just get the line all made up. And then we also need to get a bung to weld to the oil pan. We can get that from Brent. I'm pretty sure he has those in stock. And then we need to go get some intercooler piping, start mocking all that up. And then we need to get some aluminum, just some sheet metal, like 1/8 inch aluminum to start making the end tanks for this intercooler. We'll probably go over to PO5 for that as well, to use Brent shear to cut those out. And then, yeah, we need to see where we need that. We should probably get this mounted first, see where it's gonna sit. And then we also need to take this little fitting off the compressor housing on the turbo because it hits on the manifold right here. So we can bring the compressor housing forward. What we're gonna try to do is make the end tank on this intercooler just line right up with the turbo right here. So it's just like one silicone coupler right there. And then that'll just be a straight shot into the intercooler. And then this side will have to go out and around like I said earlier. But yeah, we are gonna get some more stuff for this thing tomorrow. Then we can also start like throwing the wastegate on, but I mean, we don't need to do that yet. We have a new fuel rail for it that needs to go on, and we need to put some injectors in it. And we also need to get a fuel pump as well. That's something I forgot about. Yeah. But I think Brent has those in stock too. We'll need to throw a fuel pump in there because we'll be putting this thing on E85 once we get it all going. But yeah, that's as far as we're gonna get for tonight, but at least it does have a turbo now, finally. So she'll be making Boost here pretty soon. Gonna knock this thing out. And real quick before I end the video, we do still have some t-shirts left, so be sure to check those out if you wanna grab one. But it's gonna be it for tonight, guys. Thanks for watching.